Good evening, everyone.
Good evening.
How are you all?
I
I'm also fine. So, first of all, I would like to say thanks to my respected sir who has given me this golden opportunity to stand here. Today, I will told you something about the value of time. You know that time is very important for everyone. Means everyone have a limited time. Just like everyone have 24 hours only, but many people use it properly and many are wasted. Many think that 24 hours is a very long time period. That's why they think that I do my work at any other at tomorrow. Means they depend on tomorrow, and everyone know that tomorrow is never come, and that's why they never achieve his goal properly. Means they achieve it, but not just like that person who understand the value of time. So related to it, I will told you a story about it. There was a king at past time, and he has a means when he studied at school and anywhere, then he has a classmate, and they both are study with each other, but the king, in a means in his future he become a king, and the second one who is his friend, he become a normal person, but there's a big difference between them. Means the king, he know the value of time and he do his whole work on time, but that person who is the normal pupil, he all time means every time he blame to God and also his luck. Then he is also depend on his luck. He said that if it is happening in my luck, then it is good for me. He don't want to do any work. Means he think that if in my luck I got money, that it is good for me, but if I am not get money, then it is only my luck. Then he is a lazy person. And one day when the king visit his state, then he meet with him, and he said to him, your condition is so bad, because the king is so kind. Then he said to him, you tomorrow morning you come at my palace, and I will give you the time of means 6 a.m. to 6 p.m. and in which time you collect a lot of money by my palace, and which money you collect, it is I'll give you that money. And that person thinks that it is the enough time for me, and he said to at morning time he said to his wife that you prepare food for me, and his wife prepare food and he eat it. But after eating the food he thinks that I sleep some time, and he sleep, but the time passed a lot of, means it is almost 3 o'clock. 3 o'clock means 3 p.m. and he thinks that I have very short time, and the short time is remain. Then he run away from his house to the king palace, and when he reached there, then because of the king palace is very far from his house, when he reached there, then also the 6 p.m. is means in clock there was 6 o'clock, so that's why he lost his chance. Means he have a chance to improve his life, and but he waste his time. And if he do means he go the king palace at on time, then his life is also changed, because because of he collect a lot of money, and after his life is changed and he do any work, and it is happening in nowadays, means we all depend on tomorrow. If any person give us any work, then we think that tomorrow I take a rest, and today I take a rest, and tomorrow I do this work, and when the tomorrow is past, when the tomorrow is changed in today, then we don't understand it, and just like that, our whole life is past, and we don't understand that tomorrow is never come, and we all time we depend on tomorrow. We think that, means if anyone want to, if any teacher give us any homework, then many students do it to on that day, means today. But many are depend on tomorrow. They think that tomorrow, if it is holiday, then they think that tomorrow is holiday, and I do it tomorrow, and today I will rest. Then he don't understand that his both days are, when his both days are past, and when he go to school, then they realize that my homework is also not completed, and they feel bad, and you know that which time is past, it is never come again, means now we study in schools, and when this time is past, then it is never come again in our life. We means we go ahead in our life, and and it is only we remember this time only. We never live it. We never enjoy and also live it again. So that's all.